Hello. Hello, we are back. Wow, what is this? I bet it's not Swap City for once. We're back. Alright, it is time to fix this. So, we've had some problems. Oh, new wheels, a bit lower. Oh, we still had some problems. Ignore the drooping bumper. So, for about almost a bit under a year now, my suspension's been knocking every time I turn right. Or there's too much weight on the left side, and when I turn right it puts weight onto the left side, so yeah, it knocks. And I've changed absolutely fucking everything. I've changed and I've triple checked, double checked literally everything on that side of the suspension. We are pleasured to be putting some Hardrace in. Oh, this one here. The new extended roll correction ball joints. There we go. Fronts, sew clips and cotter pins, and some cool stickers. Alright, so the car is jacked up, the wheels are off. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the brake line, take off the caliper, probably take off the disc, I'm not sure. Just so I can get some more room. Probably not actually, I'll leave the disc on. Take off the axle nut. The ball joint, I'm kind of lazy to knock out this ball joint. I might just take off the whole up control arm, but we'll see. And probably have to drop the coil. I'll have to take apart the whole suspension basically. So let's do it. This side is out. Axle's hanging out. Got a new ball joint tool. It's so useful. Oh my god. This tool is actually so much better. This one is way much better than these stupid things. This makes it so much easier. The other one out. And I don't actually have any snap ring pliers, so I might have to go get some before I take out the ball joints. eBay spec. Never go wrong. Except they're blown. Now, gotta pull out the lower ball joint and then the up control arm. It makes it easier. Last time I did it the opposite way, it was a fucking bitch. So I'll show you how this works. This will go into right under the boot. This end will go onto the stud. So if I can get an angle. Wow. Lighting. Alright. Gonna get this. Put it under the boot like this. Open it up. Alright. Under the boot like that. There we go. Then for this one that I have, it is a 22 mil. Watch your ears. Hang on, the gun's dead. There we go. And she pop out. Yay! Easy peasy. Now it's, oh what the fuck, oh yeah, it's out. There we go. And the lower ball joint is out. And the axle, oh, everything! Now I'm just gonna take out the up control arm and then boom. Boom. It's funny, I actually bought these off of Elusive Racing, so thank you to Elusive Racing. But these, they're for DC2, EG, CRV, most B series stuff. Except for like probably EF CRXs, but there was this on their website, and it didn't say DA, and I was like, fuck, not this again, because it's so hard to find parts with DAs. And so I went down, I scrolled, it's not in the title, but it's in the description, right at the bottom, right at the end of the listing, not the listing, but at the end of the item, it's like, this will also fit DAs, and it's, why didn't you just include it? Include it, please. Thank you, Elusive, I'm just kidding. NJ just ran to get some brake fluid for the GT4 because he's actually out of, his clutch has nothing in it. So I'm just waiting, because while he's there, I asked him to get me some snap ring pliers because we need to take out these snap rings right here in order to be able to push this thing out, because it comes out from here. Wait, focus. Yeah, it comes out from here, so it goes up. And in order to smack it out, gonna need some snap rings, snap ring pliers, because they're strong as fuck, and you know, I'm a lanky bitch. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for it to come back. In the meantime, just kidding, I'm not productive. I'm going to sit doing nothing. Alright, we've got to smack out the shitty ball joint. So get yourself some hands, and this is it. Move your hand. This is it here. You can see it's like has heaps of play. So we have to smack it out. I don't have proper tools, so I'm gonna smack it out and I'm gonna smack it in. We already did one, so yeah. Make an incision. All right, make an incision down here. Cut it off. There you go. All right.
Yes.
You fucking disgusting bitch.
Down, go down.
Oh! My pants!
What's that?
I've been shot! Oh, what the fuck? Slowly, ow! Fuck! Just coughing it. Getting the next ball joint in. Again, I don't have proper tools, so it is going to get a bit. The finish on top is going to be damaged, but it's a ball joint, so give it a smack. Pull it in. Alright. Yes! Yeah. Oh fuck!
Look at that, bro.
Where's the spring?
It's right here, mate.
No, where is it? Gotta put the snap ring on.
Ah, you just fucking sprayed WD on me.
It's really hard to get it on without like the tool, so we haven't got like a really cheap one. Get it on there. Give it a wiggle. Use your fingers.
Yeah, very nice.
There we go. Got
listen
that
for the-
snap.
The snap.
Got the snap. Now it's in. Now just to reinstall. And that's it. You're done. We have to actually check if this fucking fixed it. I swear to God. I've literally changed everything on this. We've changed the axle, we've changed the wheel bearing, now the lower ball joint, I've changed my inner and outer tie rods, upper control arm, literally everything. The whole suspension. Only on the left side. All right side's still old. Alright, let's put them back in.
Look, it's James.
Oh! So the extended ball joints are in. It actually made the car lower.
It's still stuck.
It made the car lower. So I had to put a brick on that side so we can roll it off, but we'll see if it fixed it. So what?
The jack's still stuck underneath.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
I'm choking up. Look at my hands, dude. It's the same color as my wheel. Look how dirty my wheel is because of my hands. Fucking hell.
Oh, I touched that shit, bro.
You did? Yeah, I need to clean it. Well, I'll just buy a new wheel. I'll give this one to NJ. He'll be like, oh yeah, it's fucking dirty ass. I'm actually very nervous because if this didn't fix it, I don't know what will. Oh fuck, I can already feel it. What is that?
What is that, yeah?
I feel like it's a stupid thing, Alright. It's much worse than before, right?
Yeah, it's much worse than
Oh fuck. Shit.
Oh no!
Too bad.
Dude, if you go any faster than that, you're broken.
Huh? No good.
No good.
Fuck me.
Dude, if you went any faster, I felt like the fucking engine block was gonna.
Yeah, you're
come
gonna.
out, yeah.
It feels like you're gonna fly out. Hey, it's pretty bad. All right, still a no-go. Fuck me. Ball joints, wheel bearing, axle. I've swapped the coils over before. Wait, let me zoom out.
I've swapped the coils over before, like from left to right to see if it was the coils, and it was still bumping on the same side, so it's not the coils. I don't know. Radius rod bushing, which I doubt. My end links are fine for my sway bar. I am at a loss. Thank you for watching my failure for today, and I'll see you next time we try to fix this thing.